Good morning students, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are going to solve some word problems of chapter 14, how big, how heavy. So different formulas we have already discussed, that is volume of cube equals to side into side cubic unit, volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height cubic unit. Today we are going to solve some word problems with the formulas. So first problem number 1, find the volume of air in a room 10 meter long, 7 meter wide and 5 meter high. So here you can see the length of the room 10 meter, breadth of the room 7 meter and height of the room 5 meter. So as the length, breadth and height all are different, so it is a cuboid. So what is the volume of the room? Volume of the room, as we know, length into breadth into height, that is 10 into 7 into 5 meter cube, or you can write cubic meter. So which is equals to 350 meter cube. So volume of the room 10 into 7 into 5 meter cube, that is 350 meter cube or 350 cubic meter. Next, question number 2. A cuboid measures 36 meter by 24 meter by 18 meter. How many cubes of edge 6 meter can be cut from the cuboid? So what is the dimension of the cuboid? A cuboid measures 36 meter by 24 meter by 18 meter. That is, first one is the length, second one is the breadth, third one is the height of the cuboid. So here length is 36 meter, breadth is 24 meter and height is 18 meter. So first of all, find out the volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid equals to 36 into 24 into 18 meter cube, which is equals to 36 into 24 into 18. So by calculation you will get 15,552 meter cube. 15,552 meter cube or cubic meter. Next we have to find out volume of each cube. Volume of each cube equals to, here the length of the edge is 6 meter. So 6 into 6 into 6 meter cube equals to 216 meter cube. Therefore, how many cubes can be cut from the cuboid? Therefore, number of cubes can be cut from the cuboid is equals to, divide the volume of the cuboid by the volume of each cube. So 15,552 divided by 216. This one meter cube, it is meter cube. Meter cube out. Now cut by 2, 108. Here 7 to the 14, 1 5 15, 7 to the 14, 1 5 15, 7 to the 14, 1 to 12, 6 to the 12. Again cut by 2, 5, 4. Here 3 to the 6, 1 7 17. So 8 to the 16, 1 7 17. 8 to the 16, 1 6 16, 8 to the 16. Again by 2, by 3, 18. And here, if you cut, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 8 28, 3 nines are 27, 3 6 are 18. Now by 2, here 9, here 6 to the 12, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now by 9, 7, 2. So how many cubes can be cut? 72. So number of cubes can be cut from the cuboid is 72. Next question number 3. How many bricks, each 25 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 15 by 2 centimeter thick will be required for a wall 15 meter long, 5 by 2 meter high and 5 by 4 meter thick? First of all, you can see here all are the dimension of the bricks, all are given in centimeter, and the dimension of the wall all are given in meter. So either we have to convert all meter into centimeter or all centimeter into meter. So it is better to convert all meters into centimeter. So first of all, we have to find out the volume of each brick. The volume of each brick is equals to 25 centimeter long. So 25 into 10 into 15 by 2 centimeter cube. So here 2 and 10, 5. So what is the volume? 125 into 15, that is 1875 centimeter cube. 1875 centimeter cube. Now find out the volume of the wall. Volume of the wall equals to 15 into 15 meter into 5 by 2 into 5 by 4 meter cube, which is equals to 15 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 4 into, from meter to centimeter we have to multiply by 100. So from meter cube to centimeter cube we have to multiply by 100 into 100 into 100, that is 10 lakhs. So if we multiply it by 10 lakhs, we will get centimeter cube. Now by calculation we will get what? 4 here 2,50,000 and by 2 1,25,000. So by calculation you will get 4,687 5,000 centimeter cube. So volume of each brick 1875 centimeter cube, and volume of the wall is unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. That is 4 crore 68 lakhs 75,000 centimeter cube. Now we have to find out how many bricks will be required. So number of bricks required equals to 4,687 5,000 divided by 1875 centimeter cube out. So by calculation you will get 25,000. So 25,000 bricks will be required to make the wall. Next, question number 4. A cubical block of gold was melted and cast into 10 smaller cubes of each 3/2 centimeter. What was the volume of the cubical block of gold? So you can see here a big cubical block melted and cast into 10 smaller cubes. So the total volume of 10 smaller cubes is the volume of the cubical block. So what is the volume of each cube? Volume of each cube, you can see the edge is 3/2 centimeter. So 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2 centimeter cube is equals to 27/8 centimeter cube. So volume of 10 cubes equals to 10 into 27/8 centimeter cube equals to 270/8 centimeter cube. 3 8s are 24, 30. 3 8s are 24. Here 6, here 8 centimeter cube, which is equal to cut by 2, 3, 4. So 33 holds the 3/4 centimeter cube. 33 holds the 3/4 centimeter cube. Next, number 5. Show that the volume of a cube whose each edge measures 12 meter is 9 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 8 meter by 6 meter by 4 meter. So here the volume of a cube whose each edge measures 12 meter is 9 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 8 meter into 6 meter into 4 meter. So volume of cuboid 8 into 6 into 4 meter cube, which is equals to 192 meter cube. And volume of cube equals to 12 into 12 into 12 meter cube equals to 1728 meter cube, which is equals to 9 into 192 meter cube, which is equals to 9 into volume of each cuboid. This one we have to show. Volume of cube is equals to 12 into 12 into 12, that is 1728. Now we can write 1728 as 9 into 192, that is 9 into volume of each cuboid. This one we have to show that the volume of a cube is 9 times the volume of a cuboid. So we have shown the volume of a cube is 9 times the volume of a cuboid. Now we have to do some homework. Number 1, find the volume of air in a room 15 meter long, 11 meter wide and 8 meter high. Number 2, how many cubes of edge 5 centimeter can be cut from the cube of edge 10 centimeter? Number 3, how many bricks of dimensions 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter will be required to make a wall of dimensions 40 meter into 20 meter into 4 meter? Number 4, how many cubes of edge 3 centimeter can be cut from the cuboid of dimensions 9 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter? Number 5, show that the volume of a cube whose each edge measures 10 centimeter is 25 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Number 6, a cuboid is melted and cast into 8 smaller cubes of edge 2 centimeter. Find the volume of the cuboid. Number 7, a pond is 50 meter long, 30 meter wide and 2 meter deep. Find the capacity or volume of the pond. Number 8, the dimension of a room 6 meter into 5 meter into 3 meter. Find the volume of the room. Number 9, find the volume of a water tank that is 80 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide and 20 centimeter high. Number 10, a wooden beam measures 60 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches. Find the volume of the wooden beam. So these 10 questions you do in your classwork copy. Thank you so much.